good. Celebrate! Kuyanjo tries a three again. No good this time. Where will follow up? No good. Rebound Ben. Ben saves the ball. Kuya Arman handling the ball. Going coast to coast. Driving. Who's foul rep? 8:15 again. Second personnel foul. Warning for penalty. Chinito day of the Chinito face of the day. With curls on his hair. Shout out Luis Maningas. Cheer your mind. Cheer your Nick. Balik daw sa amin ni Casey. Casey receives the ball. 30 shoot. Casey driving. No good. Tumama sa board. Kuya Don. Pwede na ba? Tapik ni Kuya Aman. Saved by Ben. Nice D by Team White. Finds Nate. Father-son connection. No good. Kuya Don handling the ball. 18 to shoot. Stop by Ben. Kuya Anjo looking for someone to pass to. Finds Kuya Noy. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Kuya Boss 3. No good. Rebound Casey. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Casey. Kalo titira. Finds Kuya Aman. 14 to shoot. Nate, pull up mid-range. Is good. Nice mid-range and nice assist. Last 1 minute in the second quarter. Shot clock is at 14. 3. No foul. Let's go. Ben Jeremy. 41-35 ang score. Ben bumangga. Finds Kuya number 23. Pinoy Seth. Our score 41-37 in favor of Team Green pa rin. Kuya Anton finds Weber. Back to Kuya Bobs. Kuya Bobs. Back to Kuya Anton. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Kuya Anton for 3. No good. Rebound number 23. Pass to Casey. Casey handling. 10 to shoot. Last 7 seconds. Ben pull up. Board ring. 3 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 2, 1. Rebound Casey. Tumira din ang 3. Back to the ball game. Start of the second half. Cedric receives the ball. Tira daw sabi ni Paul. Pass to Kuya Mike. Sets the ball, 30 to shoot. Finds Cedric. Finds Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike reverse. Nice assist and nice reverse. Our score 43-39 in favor of Team Green pa din. Casey tries a 3. No good. Hindi ko pa din sabihin yan kasi baka ano sabihan ni Casey. Judge. No good. Tumama sa butike. Cedric. Power move. Who's foul rep? First team foul. Sub rep. Mamaya. Second shot. Good. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas. Get out of the playing court. 45-39 ang score. Kuya Gabo handling the ball. Shot clock is at 15. Rabena. Back to Kuya Gabo. Finds Ben. Traveling with Kuya Mike handling the ball. Finds Kuya Mike. Mike connection. Finds Cedric. 17 to shoot. Finds Judge. Judge for 3. No good. Agaw ni Kuya Mike. Kuha ni Judge. Judge, floater. No good. Rebound, Cedric. 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 Behind the back. Oh, nice move. But what is the call? 3 seconds. .45-39 score. Shot clock is at 15. Kick out to the Benan. Nope. Agaw ni. Nope. Without agaw ng Team Green. Oh, line ball. Inbound. Crossover. Bumps. No good. No foul. Let's go. Rebound. Cedric. Cedric. Turning on the Jets. Cedric. Going, goes, goes. Our score 47-39. Kuya Gabo receive. Pass to Mariano. Mariano, power move. Foul. Who's foul ref? First team foul. 2 shots for Mariano. 20 na raw kay James. Gawin mo na bang 40? 50 raw. Bawi. May utak ang 30. John Marie with his inspiration. Grabe yan. Championship na championship. Kuya Mike or 3. No good. Ibang Kuya Gabo turning on the Jets. With fines. Rabena. Teardrop is good. Our score, lamang na lang, 5. Ang Team Green. Cedric, pull up. Pull up. Fines. Kuya Mike. Pass to Wewell. 14 to shoot. Wewell grabbing. Pass to Kuya Mike. No foul is called. Ben. Grabbing. Oh, Ben the back. Ben. Hindi pinapasa. Napasa na nga pero sa hangin. What's happening right now? 77 shot clock. Rebound Mariano. Bitawan. Oh. Sorry. Cedric rebound. Cedric pushing the ball. Cedric finds Kuya Mike. Finds Judge. Judge bitawan na bola pero recovered no. Rebound Kuya Mike. Clean up is good by Kuya Mike. Number 23, handling the ball. 23, fire. Oh, agaw ni Wewell. Nice recovery. Judge, binaw naman ng bola. Judge, recovered by Judge. Okay, nice recovery by Judge. But no assist. Nice one, kupal daw, sabi ng kapatid mo. Kick out to corner 3. Patay ang Butike. Kuya Gabo tries a 3. No good. Rebound Mariano power move pero nabitawan ng bola. Mariano finds Kuya Gabo. Basura Bena. Naagaw ang Team Green. Cedric pushing the ball. Kuya Aman humarang. Cedric nagkape sa ere. Time out. Basket time out. Kuya Gabo picked up by Wewell. Number 23 finds Kuya Aman spins. 53-42 in favor of Team Green pa din. Kuya Anjo, depress a 3, tries a 3. No good. Rebound number 23. Number 23 pushing the ball. Number 23 finds someone. Can't find someone. Nice feed by Wewell. Who's touch? Back to 23. 23 drives left. Oh, step through is good. Cedric pushing the ball. Finds. Back to Cedric. 15 to shoot. Pinoy dribbling. Drives left. Kick out. Takes the three. Back to Kuya Noy. Fade away. Fade away is good. Nate. Back to Kuya Gabo. Back to number 23. Back to Casey. Casey. 9 to shoot. Back to 23. Set through again. Ganda nun. Our score 55-46. Meron basa siya?
Vince!
Meron basa mo?
Kuha ka.
Number 23, handling the ball. Number 23, natabek? No. Okay pa rin. Huli kay Cedric.
Vince, tingin mo.
Cedric, 2v1 situation, 2v2 situation now. Cedric, foul! Casey Harden to! Easy Cedric. Hiningiti yung nose ko.
Vince.
First shot, no good. Second shot, making his way to the board. Papa Bear, Josh Magalay with no corners today. MVP. Thank you, Cedric ako. Cedric, second shot is good. Sabrina, pasok, pasok, labas, labas. Back to Casey. Casey with third foul. Casey going hard to the paint. No good. well, fine. Ben. Kuha ni Casey.
Vince, tingin mo.
Casey finds Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo. Oh, nice move. Suabe.
Vince.
Denzel, ba't di ka naglalaro? Just woke up? Well handling the ball. Shot clock is at 15. Our score 58-48. Fine Cedric. 8 to shoot. Corner three by Kuya Anjo. No good. Rebound Marian. Casey tumanggap. Casey speed move. 14 seconds shot clock. Nate tries a three. No good. Rebound Mariano. Mariano. Durant through the paint. And sama ko dyan mamaya. Bonus shot Mariano. No good. It's short. Cedric handling the ball. Time remaining in the third quarter. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Hindi ko nakita. 10 to shoot. Fade away is no good. Rebound Mariano. Kuya Gabo pushing, driving. Huli. 13 foul. Corner three, setting the ball. Corner three, Kuya Gabo. Bang! Back to 5 on lead. Team Green. Weber. Drives to Casey. Finds Kuya Anjo. Finds Kuya Noy. Corner three. Corner three. Three is good by Kuya Boggs. Si Kuya Noy, number 12. Number 12 assist. Casey. 13 to shoot. Rep, hindi ko makita na yung point number. Yan. 7 to shoot. Ben tries a three. Three. Patay ang butike. Tumakbo si Wewel. Kuya Boss. Hot three. Grabe. It's like Steph Curry. Yun lang. Binawi ko na. Kick out the corner. Fans. Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo. Oh, what's the call, rep? 3 seconds. Time remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a way to end the third quarter. Nice. 15-second shot clock. Spins. Left hand layup. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 2. Number 2. Fourth? Oh, number 4, sorry. First team foul. Warning for graduation, Cedric Nita. Joke lang gago. Oh, 2H. Intaro, I trust. Cash out mo ako 2H mamaya. Pag hindi, huwag ka magpapakita. Hindi tayo papatas. Kahanap ng bagong kasama. Second shot. Second shot is no good. Rebound Magallanes. Magallanes, driving. Magallanes. Sa kanya pa rin. Draft pass to Judge. First person na foul, first team foul. Bonus shot is good. Mana raw kay Prince, pero hindi ako niniwalang mana daw kay Prince yun. Hindi nagagawa ni Prince yun. Kila Paul lang, pero buong liga hindi. Real nice game by you, Judge again. Our score lumalaki na ang kalamangan. It's 70-54. Drop off for the plus. Ayaw hindi na sa law.
2 minutes daw. Stop time, sabi niya.
Kuya Gabo finds Ben. 17-second shot clock. Kuya Gabo tries a 3. Short. Rebound. Wait, tabi ka naman. Rebound ni Ben. One Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo fake to the left. Grab. Spin move. No, nakagawa lang. Magallanes all out. Our score leading by 18. Ben handling the ball. Ben finds Kuya Aman. 14-second shot clock. Kuya Aman finds Kuya Gabo. Kuya Gabo tries to 3 again. No good. Tap to Ravena. Ravena rebound. Oh, there. It's one event. Power move. Nakara si Cedric. Oh, foul. Number 4. Kume? Si Kume. Kume? Hindi Kume. Kuya Alvin, hanap ka ng anak mo. Kume! Ano nangyari? Yan tuloy, hindi nakita. Tubig is good. Kasi nagugulo eh. Layuan niyo nga ako. Get away from my space. Wow, space. Don't be, nice. Uy! Good! That's lambingan lang yan, magtropa. Ganyan talaga pag magtropa. Cedric! Pinili si Cedric! No! Rebound Cedric! Driving! No good! Oh! What was the ball rep? Kuya Gabo receives the ball. Kuya Gabo. Oh no! Kick up. Pass to Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman, pull up. No good. Kuya Aman. Oh! Passes to mate. Father-son connection. No good. Rebound Mariano. Casey fakes a 3 pull-up. No good. No, Casey ulit. Casey. No good pa rin. Casey. Isa pa Casey. Isa pa. Laro yun, sabi ni Prince. Prove him wrong. Panis ka, Prince. Three points for Casey. Casey, second shot. Second shot, no good. What's the call, Rep?
Nay, pasok kayo, Nay.
Wala. Sub lang yan, ha? Hindi ko alam sino. Hindi ko nakita. Number 20.
Ikalis dito. Ikalis ko, alam dito.
Oh, what's happening? What's happening, Bella? Bella, ayan, nakuha ni Kuya Aman. Kuya Aman, 80 seconds shot lang. Nate receives the ball. Grabs to the paint. Layup, no good. Tries to steal the ball, but doesn't end well. Cedric, grounding to the right. Pass Kuya Mike, binali pa. Rebound, wait, agawat bola. Oh, last touch you. Evan coming into the fourth quarter. Kuya Gabo. Crossover! Sayang! Nabitawan lang ang bola. Finds Cedric. Cedric, namamadala. Cedric. Grabs to the left, no, spins. Oh, no goal. So, Brett, pasok, labas ang naan, lumabas. Get out of the playing court. Mariano, 30 seconds to shoot. Finds Kuya Gabo, mid-range. No good pa rin. Finds Kuya Aman, power move, no good. Rebound Cedric, pushing the ball. Cedric grabbing, Cedric, sa kanila raw to. Cedric, pass Judge. Easy layup. Fine, Kuya Gabo finds Mariano, foul. Number 1, third four, 74-59. With a chance to cut it to 14 with this shot. It is. Team Green leading by 14. With 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the fourth final quarter. In the battle for third game. Kuya Mike, hesitation. High pickup. What's the call? Traveling by. Gusto ko finals MVP ka. Pupustahan ko yan. 5K. What a foul rep and what? Oslo? May guarding na yun. Bonus shot, no good. Cedric pushing the ball. Cedric, kumakaw si Casey. Kuya Balls, 6-3 of the game, no good. Kuya Gabo, Panzu, Ben, no good. Cedric kumuha. Cedric picked up by Casey. Staggering defense by Hartendorf. Ayaw niya pa-score si Casey. Tumatawag si Casey. Ayos na daw, sabi niya. 10 to shoot, 10. Good D by Casey. Good D. 5 to shoot. Hindi nakatawa si Cedric ni Casey. Wewel for 3. Yun lang. Nakatref si Wewel. Taas to Kuya Gabo. Shot clock is at 15. Kuya Aman finds Casey. Back to Kuya Gabo. Fine. Okay, floater is good. Outlet pass to Wewel. Libre siya. Nice assist. Nice vision of the court. 79-64 ang score natin. Kuya Gabo, driving. Kuya Gabo, layup is good. Ayan si Cedric. Cedric finds Wewel again. No the best, but doesn't take it. Sayang yun. That was a nice and nasty move by Wewel. Kuya Aman spins. Drop pass to Kuya Gabo. Pass to Mariano. Easy layup. Our score 79-68. It could be anyone's ball game. KC picking up Ced. Hindi niya papalusot ng ulit. 12 to shoot, Ced driving left. Stop by KC. 8 to shoot. Ced spins. Layup. Cedric, tingin dito pag shoot. Yes, tingin dito. Kindat. Yun na! Grabe talaga ang soft point ng Anfield. Peter ka pa rin pala ng ball.
Patrick Beverly.
At least kayo umabot ng final. Ay, walang mapir. Sino? Anong gagawin ko? Kaya ba? 2 points. Alam ko, nakita ko. Di ako bulan. Outlet pas ulit. Kuya Paul, tumanggap. Makes it. Easy layup. Nice by Cedric. Mukhang triple-double yung Ced, Our score, 84-70. Nate. Foul. Foul number 17. Huli kay Cedric. Dunk it, Cedric. Dunk it. Three is good. Roy Libre sa gitna. Layup is good. Our score, leading by 13. 86-73 in favor of Team Green. Champ, shot clock is at 13. Kuya Aman, no good. Tap, oh ref, last ball. Okay, green ball. Time remaining in the fourth and final quarter of the battle for third game. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Hooligan! Kuya Gabo pushing. Mariana all around. Mariana! Easy layup. Cedric tumanggap. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Layup! Suwabe talaga ang finger roll layup. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. Okay, last 1 minute. Nate recovers the ball. Our score 88-75. Finds Kuya Aman, Mariana connection. Our score 88-77 with time remaining 43 seconds remaining. Cedric wasting time. Cedric picked up by Nate. 12 to shoot, Ced. 8 to shoot. Pull up 3! No good, patay mo tigil. Tumatakbo si Nate. It's good. Our score 88-79 and this might be the end of the ballgame. Team Green wasting down the time. And